So let's take a look at if-else control flow in Kotlin language. First thing is to create one file with extension .kt, and I have created this hello.kt. You can create sample or any other name of your choice. Make sure to open your favorite text editor so that you can have syntax highlighting. In my case, I have not downloaded the syntax highlighter, and that IntelliSense is not active either. So we are going to create a if-else program with Kotlin, and for that, make sure that you have Kotlin installed and working from your command prompt. Okay. So first thing, type in keyword fun, then main. Here args takes array string. Okay, now within this main function, we are going to first create a variable with fixed value, let's say 5, also another with integer value of 2. Now I want to have if case. I'm going to use if keyword in bracket and a is greater than b, and inside this I'm going to use println to show a is greater than b. If this condition is not true, then I'm going to use println to print b is greater than a. That's it. This is a simple if else you can go with. You can go even deeper with nested if else, etc. Okay. So this one's simple for if else condition, where we are comparing two numbers, checking which one is bigger and printing out the output based on that. So open command prompt and type in Kotlin C, then hello.kt, then dash include dash runtime, then dash t, then hello.jar. Hit enter. If it has no errors, then it will return with blank prompt. If there are any errors, then it will show that. So for example, I have forgot to use double quotes. Okay, so it will show that errors. Okay, so make mistakes sometimes purposefully so you can understand these errors and where it points correctly. Compared to Java, it points those errors correctly and tells you what it expects. Okay, so let's run again, and it returns with the blank prompt. Okay, now let's type in Java, then dash jar, and hello.jar. This should open our hello.kt program by showing the output a is greater than b, because as you know, a is 5, b is 2. So this first output is on our command prompt right here.